Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look at the gold market as usual in the second video. So market mostly follows our suggestion. So the butterfly that we have talked about yesterday on the intraday chart has been formed and market has hit our first predefined level. So it's around 1288 resistance, neckline of the potential double bottom and other things that we have talked about yesterday. On the daily chart this action doesn't look really impressive, so market has moved slightly higher, but this upward continuation was really small, and the grabbers that we have on the daily has not been completed yet, as they suggest the taking out of this top. So that's the level that they should exceed, the 1288.56. So market has to broken it to complete the grabbers. In the second moment that we discussed to keep an eye on here is possible bearish dynamic pressure, because we said that as longer market will stand flat here without any significant downward continuation, as more it starts to look like the bearish dynamic pressure, because trend has turned bullish but price action is not, and that is could become potentially negative sign, and not negative, it's bearish, and potentially it could be the signal that market still will proceed lower and hit our major 1255 1260 target. But currently it's too few time has passed and we need a bit more time to see what will happen here. Besides, market really could accelerate, for example, high, and this suggestion will be erased. So on the intraday chart, that's the butterfly that we have talked about yesterday, and this has been completed, and market has climbed right to the major resistance area. So take a look. Market right now stands at two pivots: monthly pivot point, weekly pivot, resistance 1, major resistance 1288. And that is natural support resistance area. So you can see it was previously support again, breakout, resistance, and now it will be resistance again. Here I put the R letter right at the top, because depending on where market will close, it could become the reversal candle. Because take a look, if market will drop lower, close below the lows of this candle, this market has created a new top. This could be reversal. It's not yet, but I just marked the things that could happen, and that could become the starting point of some pullback. In general, the pullback out from this area, it's natural and nothing really wrong with it, because it's really strong level, guys, and some pullback here is really possible. Maybe even somewhere to 1280 or somewhere in this level. It is possible before the possible breakout with this double bottom pattern, but too deep retracement will be not normal. And if market will drop in the second half of the pattern again, that will be the clear signal that probably we will not get any upward continuation, and we should be ready for a downward action. Here is the level that we could keep an eye on today. The first level is 1283. So minor pullback could happen. The second level is 1281, 1280 confluence. That's two levels should hold the retracement. It's 1275. It seems to be too deep, so it's acceptable, but that will be not quite normal for double bottom, because market stands at the neckline. Some pullback, some minor preparation for breakout is possible, but not so deep as the 1275. That's why these two levels should hold the market on the downward action to keep overall bullish context, and that levels could be treated as natural retracement. It's normal, and that's what we will be watching for here on the gold market for the price action, how it will behave around the neckline on the daily chart and what retracement we will get. So if it will be indeed some minor pullback and kind of the ABCD gradual retracement, well, that will be much better. Here also you can see currently is minor divergence, which also suggests some pullback here. Butterfly, again, the butterfly is completed, and minor retracement here is a necessary target to come to as a reaction on the butterfly. So that's what we'll see right now on gold. If you somehow have taken the long position as we have suggested yesterday by the butterfly, well, maybe you could even try to hold it, at least a part of your position, with the hope that market will break through the neckline later and will proceed upward direction. This is possible. If not, well, in this case it's better to wait for reaction and see what reaction will follow, because we do not want to get this kind of action as we have here to the downside. If we will get it, it definitely will be the signal that we should not take any long position by far. So let's see how retracement will happen.